Today I'll be making an omelette. Firstly, you have to get some herbs like onion tops and mint and stuff like that. And you can also add in an extra onion to make taste. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, I'm gonna get a sharper knife. That's better. That's better. You don't need that much onion. I'm also going to add some chili powder. And make sure to wash your hands before you cook. Okay. Now I'm going to get an egg, or 2 eggs would be better. Now I crack the eggs into this bowl like this. The baby brother and I'm gonna go ahead and get a fork. Got it. You have to mix it. Thanks, Mom. Okay, now I'm gonna add a tiny bit of chili powder, like that. And I'm gonna add some salt. And I'm also gonna add a bit of what? No, I don't wanna add that. I'm gonna add some pepper. Not too much because it might make your load be. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. Oh, the onion just made me cry. Okay, that's good. Pour it in a pan with oil in it. Okay, and now guys, let it cook for like 5 to 10 minutes. But okay, see you later guys. Thank you. ¿Cómo estás?